If you think Bitcoin is only for speculation, you're missing 90% of its real value. I know, I know. You hear about Bitcoin, and your mind probably jumps to crazy price swings, overnight millionaires, and risky trades. But what if I told you that's just the tip of the iceberg? The real magic of Bitcoin isn't just about the price. It's about what it can actually do for people all over the world. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 powerful real-world uses of Bitcoin that prove it's so much more than a digital casino. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see Bitcoin in a whole new light. First up, let's talk about Bitcoin as digital gold. You've heard of gold, right? It's been a reliable way to store wealth for thousands of years because it's scarce. Well, Bitcoin works in a very similar way. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. That's it. It's a hard cap built into its code. Unlike traditional currencies that governments can print more and more of, which leads to inflation and devalues your savings, Bitcoin's fixed supply makes it a powerful hedge against inflation. Think of it as a digital safe haven, a way to protect your purchasing power and preserve your wealth over the long term. In a world where money can lose its value overnight, Bitcoin offers a predictable and finite alternative. Next, let's tackle international money transfers. Have you ever tried sending money to someone in another country? It can be a real headache. You've got to deal with banks, high fees, terrible exchange rates, and a whole lot of waiting. It can take days for the money to arrive. With Bitcoin, you can say goodbye to all that frustration. Bitcoin operates on a global, decentralized network, meaning there are no banks or middlemen to slow things down. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, in just a matter of minutes. And the fees? They are often significantly lower than traditional wire transfers. It's like sending an email with money attached, fast, direct, and incredibly efficient. This isn't just a convenience. For millions of people who rely on remittances, it's a complete game changer. Now for a concept that is truly revolutionary: financial freedom. When you keep your money in a bank, do you really own it? The bank holds it for you, and for various reasons, they can freeze your account, block transactions, or even seize your funds. With Bitcoin, if you hold your own private key, you are your own bank. No one, not a government, not a bank, not any corporation, can freeze your funds or prevent you from sending or receiving money. This is what we call self-custody, and it's a level of financial sovereignty that has never been possible before. You have complete and total control over your assets. This is especially powerful for people living under oppressive regimes or in regions with unstable banking systems. It's true economic empowerment. Let's move on to the growing adoption of Bitcoin as a means of payment. A currency is only useful if you can spend it, right? Well, more and more businesses around the globe are starting to accept Bitcoin. We're not just talking about small, niche online shops anymore. Major companies, from travel websites and electronics retailers to coffee shops and online service providers, are integrating Bitcoin payments. Why? Because it's a global currency that works everywhere without the need for currency conversion fees. For businesses, it means lower transaction fees compared to credit cards and no risk of chargebacks. As this trend continues, Bitcoin is steadily moving from a speculative asset to a practical, everyday medium of exchange. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, Bitcoin is a lifeline for people in countries with high inflation. Imagine living in a place like Argentina or Venezuela, where the local currency loses a huge chunk of its value every single month. Your life savings could be wiped out in a matter of years, or even months. It's a terrifying reality for millions. For these people, Bitcoin isn't an investment. It's a survival tool. They use it to escape their collapsing national currencies, protect their savings from hyperinflation, and preserve the value of their hard work. It allows them to transact with the outside world and gives them a stable store of value when their own government's currency has failed them. This is Bitcoin's most profound use case, offering financial hope and stability where there is none. So, there you have it. 5 powerful real-world applications of Bitcoin that go far beyond just watching a price chart. From being digital gold that protects against inflation, to enabling lightning-fast global transfers, offering true financial sovereignty, becoming a legitimate payment method, and acting as a lifeline for those in crisis. The picture is much bigger and much more important than most people realize. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 real-world uses do you think is the most valuable or impactful? Or maybe you use Bitcoin in a way I didn't mention. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'm really curious to know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that demystifies the world of crypto. See you in the next one.